In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix TikTok search not working. So if TikTok search is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. At first, what you can do is simply try closing the TikTok application and open it again. Now, after you do that, your problem should be solved. But if the TikTok search is still not working, what you can do is simply try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also, try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem caused by the cache. So in that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the options related with settings and privacy. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for cache and cellular. Tap on this option, free up space, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to clear the cache. For that, tap on this option, clear, right next to the option for cache. Now tap on the option clear again. Now you can see over here the cache will be cleared. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If the search is still not working, what you can do is simply try updating the application. Your application might have some bugs. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for TikTok. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for TikTok and tap on it. Now tap on this option update that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the TikTok application should be updated. Now all the bugs should be fixed and the search should start working again. If the problem still does not solve, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. There might be some temporary software glitches in the device itself. So for that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. Now the search of the TikTok should start working. So that is how you fix TikTok search not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.